Hello and welcome to another joyful tune-in. Today we're going to practice tuning into your guardian angel, or what is conceived of historically as your guardian angel or angels. Now, guardian angels historically have been those that have had incarnations here on the earth, and from the other side, they have volunteered to be with humans for their entire lifetime as their best friend, as their best buddy, so to speak, as their silent partner. So in a sense, they are not angels per se, but they are like guardians. So let's do an exercise to tune in, tap into your guardian angel. So in meditation, after creating sacred space for your meditation and centering and grounding so that you're in perfect balance and focus and fully relaxed, in this now moment, I am here, I am now, I am, brings you into the present now moment. I am here, I am now, and I am. And I'm going to raise my awareness. This is what you're going to say to yourself. You're going to raise your awareness above all of the lower dense energies, as we say, into the more ethereal realms of light, into the fifth dimension and above. And it is here that you can begin to communicate not only with your guardian angels, but with your spiritual guides and other beings, such as ascended masters, archangels, the elders from other star systems like the Pleiades, Andromeda, Arcturus, etc. So either to the right or the left or behind you will be your guardian angel. So you simply have to call upon and greet your guardian angel as if you already know who this is. Introduce yourself officially and ask your angel for a name that you can call it. And imagine that you are having a very deep discussion, conversation with your angel, getting to know your angel. Why are you here? How are you helping me in my life? How can I help you? How can we work together? Now, your guardian angel can't do stuff for you, but it can support you. It could give you guidance. It could give you reflections. So you want to, how shall we say, condition your relationship with your angel to be one of, say, give me signs if I'm going down the wrong road, if you know what I mean. You give me suggestions on this idea that I have, this project that I want to create, this job that I'd like to interview for, or this possible move to this location, or whatever it might be. You can ask your angel to travel with you in the dream time at night. Think of your angel as your best friend who knows you and can relate to earth life, and that has some wisdom and definitely loving support for you and your path. And once you create that pathway to your angels, it's always there. You can always use that pathway for communication. So what you want to do is Keep your throat chakra open for telepathic communication with your angel. Ask your angel to do the same thing to keep its symbolically throat chakra open. And they come to you in many ways. They could have a physical-like form. They could be more ethereal. They could be even appear like in sacred geometry or like light language. So they could be auditory, they could be visual, they could be both. Definitely kinesthetic. So whatever senses that you're comfortable with, use those senses in communicating with your angel. Guardian angels, it has been known to have saved lives in accidents where the person should have made transition, but somehow made it away with no scratches on their body. So work with your angel and have fun with your angel. Take your angel for hikes and walks. Definitely take your angel with you when you drive in your car if you're alone. Yeah, they can sit in the passenger seat and have a conversation, but not to distract you from your driving, though. Just ask them to be mindful that you are driving and need to keep your focus on the roadway. So that's a little tip on guardian angels. We hope you like that one. So until next time, have a great day.